In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove AirDrop from the control center on your iPhone running on iOS 18. Let's get started. If you want to customize the control center by removing certain controls, like AirDrop, this video is for you. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. In the control center, you'll see various controls. By default, AirDrop is clustered under the connectivity section. To remove it, simply long press on the empty area within the control center. This action will reveal a minus button on the screen. Tap the minus icon to remove the control folder that includes AirDrop. And that's it. You've successfully removed AirDrop from your iPhone's control center. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.